Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be testing out the new L'Oreal Skin Water Infused Tinted Moisturizer. So this retails for $16.99. So a little detail about this Water Infused Tinted Moisturizer. It says it's featuring lightweight, natural coverage, plus 24-hour hydration for fresh, glowing complexion. This unique formula offers a 70% water-infused base with aloe vera plus witch hazel. It is suitable for sensitive skin, oil-free, and won't clog pores. So let's give it a go. Before I put on this L'Oreal Skin Water Infused Tinted Moisturizer, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer just to prime my face so I can have a good canvas so the tinted moisturizer can go on very smooth. So I'm just going to put this all over. And then now I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Skin Water Infused Tinted Moisturizer. So I got a damp beauty blender and I'm just going to put it on the back of it and put this all over. And I actually got the shade Light 01. And I am pretty light right now. We're getting into springtime, so I will go up a shade. So whenever I get tan during the spring/summer. And also this has SPF 19 in it, and just to let y'all know, y'all probably know, but dermatologists and estheticians say this is not enough sunscreen, so definitely put more when you go outside because this will not cover skin damage. Just to let y'all know, because I'm obsessed with skincare and I want my skin to be looking good, so sunscreen all the way. So I'm just finishing putting this all over. Alright, so far it has good coverage. I feel like it matches my skin very well. I feel like it's not heavy, which is good. Definitely when I'm using it for springtime or summer, if I'm going out to the lake, I can still have some kind of makeup on. Now to bronze my face, I'm using this NYX Mattifying Bronzer in the shade Deep, and I'm just going in and lightly brushing some bronze onto my face. Next, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. And I'm just going underneath my eyes. And then down my nose to add a little bit of concealer on. And I'm just going to use this damp beauty blender and just blend it in. Now I'm taking this e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder in the shade Light Pink, and I am just getting a brush and dipping it in to just set that under eye. And one of my girlfriends told me about this light pink setting powder. Game changer, I love it. Now I'm just grabbing this random brush and just going in to make sure everything is blended out, so I don't have any harsh line or any extra powder laying around. Next, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Powder Blush Palette in the shade Light, and I'm going just to pick this blush color for my cheeks. And just lightly tap it on. Like so. And then just getting my brush again and just lightly dusting off any excess so I don't have any harsh lines. I'm all about blending. Now moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this ColourPop Truly Madly and Deeply eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using this shade called Misty for the base of my eyeshadow. And I'm just going to put this on like so. Now for the outer corners of my eyelids, I'm going to be using this color called Jackpot, and I'm going to put this all over and make sort of a smokiness look. Like so. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to go with this Too Much color and get another little brush and just lightly pack that darker purple color on the outer corners of my eyelids. There you go. And then I'm just getting an old washcloth and dusting any excess that I have on that brush so I can go in and blend those products together. Now I'm using my finger and I'm going to go in with this color called Sweet Dreams. And I'm just going to pop this on the inner corners of my eyelids just to add some shimmer and some glitter onto my look. Now that I just got done doing eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with this brush again and just make sure I don't have any eyeshadow that has fallen out to make sure my face is clean from that. Now I'm going to go in with this NYX Epic Ink eyeliner and I'm going to do a small band above my lashes. Now moving on to mascara, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Lash It Loud mascara, but first I'm going to go in and curl my lashes. Now moving on to eyebrows, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Instant Lift Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Taupe. Now moving on to lips, I'm going to be using this nude stick in the shade called Whisper. Now that I just got done putting on my makeup, I'm going to talk a little bit more in depth about the L'Oreal Skin Water Infused Tinted Moisturizer. So I have a really good match to my natural skin tone. It does feel lightweight, which is really good for me because during the spring and summer season where I live, it's just really, really hot. So I have to just throw this on and go out the door and not look cakey. So far, I don't have any creases or anything from the setting powder, which is good. I will say though that I have really big pores, so putting a primer on first, then the tinted moisturizer, I felt like I had a good canvas for my makeup. Other than that, I feel like my makeup looks flawless with this tinted moisturizer. Whenever I use the Urban Decay tinted moisturizer, I feel like I had to put more layers on to get a good coverage. This one, I didn't have to use as much product, so this L'Oreal tinted moisturizer is a go for me, so definitely try it out. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Until next time, bye guys.